We're going to demonstrate how to install a female bayonet connector converter onto a CommScope Prodigy connector. Start by removing the dust cap from the Prodigy connector. Grasp the dust cap and then rotate the locking nut 45 degrees to crack and disable the dust cap stop. Now pull the dust cap from the Prodigy connector. Please note the dust cap may be reused but will no longer have this factory seal feature. To install the female bayonet connector converter, grasp the converter body and find the alignment guide. Then find the alignment key on the Prodigy connector and remove the red dust cap covering the connector end face. Insert the connector core into the female bayonet connector converter until it stops. Turn the locking nut 45 degrees until it locks into position. Prior to connector installation, remove the outer female bayonet dust cap. To remove the female bayonet converter from a Prodigy connector, the coupling nut on the converter will need to be cracked open. Start by removing the dust cap from the female bayonet connector, then remove the lanyard from the dust cap. The dust cap has a built-in flathead feature located at the top of the cap and is used to crack open the coupling nut. Using the cap feature, insert the flathead into one of the brake line indicators on the coupling nut. Twist the cap to crack open the coupling nut. Repeat this twisting action on the opposite side if needed. To remove the converter from the Prodigy connector core, twist the locking nut and pull off the converter. Discard converter and coupling nut.